Hi folks, we're back and we had a question about the walls of our renovation project and the cap here, how we do that. So I've done it here and I'm going to walk you through this. First of all, uh, we want to select this wall right here and want to edit this type. Now in the meantime, what I did, I created another wall type. It was 3. Let's go have a look at it. Now, but just for this exercise, I'm going to cancel. I'm going to walk through this so you'll know how to do this. I can do this again. So basically, what happens here is, say we select this wall, and then we want to edit this type, and then we want to duplicate it here, always. But I'm not going to duplicate. Should I? Should I not? Okay, I'll cancel this. So this is how you do this. You go edit here. And then right here, you see what's highlighted here. It's the brick. Okay. And then also we want to go over the sweep. But for now, let's talk about this brick. So here we got common brick here. And then if you select here, it's a little builder here, and it'll bring up the brick, the material. And you have graphics here. You want to use rendered appearance. You want to go here. So now right here, that brick we're using is actually yellow. So you can click on here, on this little link right under this image. And there are all of the images of all types of whatever. And that's a lot in there. Let me see. What are we looking for? That's the burgundy now. So then what you would do is go and change it to running. You got non-running uniform burgundy, PNLG. And let's see, brick, mulch. I would love to see the images, but mahogany, ceiling tile. Okay, I'm sorry here, but it's in here. You'll find, let me see if this should be highlighted. I guess I goofed it up when I did it already, because I already did this. There you go, running brick here. You got all these brick running dark. So you got all these different colors. I found the yellow in here, and I snatched it out of there. I'm going to cancel this and this. I'm going to just cancel this, and I'm going to cancel this, and I'm just going to pop down to that brick, that wall. So what I did, I duplicated my view, and I'm just going to pop this into 3, and it'll show you this is wall 3 here. I'm going to go OK. All right, so there it is. So now let's select this again, edit this type. Now here, when we go in and edit, also here, we want to look at the cap, this sweep here along the top here. So I'm going to go edit type here. And then I want to go and basically look at sweeps here, just for now. And that sweep is this. So if I highlight this, you see it's highlighted. And all that is just a precast cap profile. That's a 14-inch. And you can adjust and modify that however. Then I'm going to say OK here. And I'm going to just edit this type just so you can see what this looks like here. Okay, right there. And there's the yellow brick that we wanted. And there was brick uniform running yellow is the one I couldn't find. So I'm going to cancel that. Cancel that. I'll apply that. Okay. So, So that's how we got the yellow brick. So we're going to change all these to wall 3. Oh, I had to do something down in the bottom so we can work on that one together. I probably should have done that one. So we just changed this to wall 3 here. Obviously, you can't change that one, the bottom one, because wall 3 has the seal on it. So we're going to edit that type. Oops, cancel that. Just got to do the pull down wall 3 here. Okay, now here, this is where we're going to get interesting. So we have to do the bottom walls here. So we'll just select this wall here, and we'll I tell you, we'll tab all these together. Oh, maybe I couldn't do it. Let me see, tab. Did I get them all? Yeah, I got them all. Okay, so now what I want to do here, when I edit this type, and I'm going to duplicate it, and we can call it 4 or whatever. Yeah, let's just call it 4. Okay. Then I'm going to go in here and edit this guy. Only thing here, let me see. We want to change this to our burgundy. Okay, so where is it now? The running yellow. Let's see. Brick running color. Boy, I don't have good eyes, but I tell you what, guys. Precast smooth. Brown. Boy, see, there's a lot of stuff in here. This is probably something you want to get done and get it out the way. But what I might do, guys, I might leave it there until I find this stuff and fix these walls, and we'll come back in the next video. So anyway, cancel that. And just tap it again, see if I can find it right quick. Brown ceramic brick. There we go, brick, concrete, brick, soldier running, brick. Oh, it's all goofied up in here. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video when I work through this stuff here. But that's how we're gonna get our bottom to the yellow color. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and have a happy holiday. Talk to you soon. And please like, subscribe, and share. Helps me make videos like this. Bye.